What can you say? No chance of a white Christmas, a green or brown Christmas, but I think most of us are okay with that.
That's fun.
Yeah,
No?
makes it good for travel. Yeah, I'll tell you. I
does.
always like the warm temperature. I mean, it's always nice to see snow. I'm a Michigander, a Michiganian by birth, so I mean, it's always nice. You're used to seeing the white Christmas and the snow, but I could deal with that.
I think we'll see plenty of it in this
Trust me, it's coming.
weeks and months
Yeah,
ahead.
January
as we
through
get to
March.
around the 31st of this month, maybe somewhere just shortly after, it's going to start to turn colder again. So enjoy the warm temperatures. Good time to maybe change the oil in the car in a case like today, because you don't freeze doing that if you're into that kind of a thing, or maybe rake up the final leaves or pick up some stuff around the yard. You've got time to do that. Because it certainly is mild out there, and you do it without freezing. Good afternoon, everybody. As we look at Comstock Park, Fifth Third Ballpark, it almost in some cases feels like baseball weather. We've actually had a few golf places that have opened, golf courses that have opened up. No baseball this time around, but you can see there's been a mixture of clouds and sunshine out there today. Unseasonably warm temperatures continue for the immediate foreseeable future. 33 is a normal high for this time of the year. We're going to be above that over the next several days here. No snow through Christmas, as Derek just mentioned. Rain and snow possible this weekend as we get into later Saturday night and Sunday. Maybe rain that eventually changes over to snow as we get into Sunday. The models are not agreeing on that, so we're going to have to wait for a couple of more runs and maybe another day or two. But that's what it looks like right now and where we're going. As we look at live Doppler radar, there's no precipitation out there. We're going to be dry. Wind speeds were up a lot higher today. We had between 10 and 15 mile per hour winds. They've come down. We now have single digit wind speeds out there. 8 mile per hour in Grand Rapids coming in out of the west. Out ahead of the front, they were southwest, but you can see they're turning more westerly. They'll turn more northerly and then northeasterly as we go through the overnight hours and into tomorrow. So the winds are calming down. Look at our temperatures. As you get out ahead of the front, you're still in the 50s there. I saw a 55-degree reading earlier down there along on south of 94, but those temperatures are falling with a westerly and northwesterly wind coming in behind the front. So current temperatures 44 in GR, 46 up there in Big Rapids, still 50 degrees or better from Battle Creek, Kalamazoo, and into Three Rivers. We'll pull out to a wider perspective. There certainly is cooler air out here, and there's warmer air down to the south. We should still be tapping low to mid 40s tomorrow, even though we're going to have a lot more cloud cover. And you can see the extensive part of that cloud cover, not only kind of trickling into Michigan, and as you head back out over the upper Midwest, the northern and central plains, lots of cloud cover. What you don't see is any precipitation in that. No rain, no snow, no ice. That's the way this generally will shake out for us as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Generally going to be dry. I can't rule out on Wednesday and Thursday, maybe a little bit of light drizzle or a rain shower, but generally dry through that time frame. Tonight we're down about 32 degrees. We'll see partly cloudy skies, variably cloudy skies through the evening, turning mostly cloudy overnight, where clouds will gradually thicken. My only concern is there could be a little bit of fog or freezing fog, especially from Grand Rapids southward later tonight and tomorrow morning. And if it is freezing fog with temperatures around 32, it could lay down a light glazing of ice tomorrow morning. So watch out for that. It's not a for sure thing, but the possibility is there. We look at Future Track HD. There's the cold front that's working on through the area. And then you'll also see, here's this weak low pressure area that's going to meander into the Great Lakes, and look at all the cloud cover that's going to set up for us on Tuesday. That trend and that low both kind of hang out into the region as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, and well, even Friday probably here. Really not much in the way of precip, if anything at all, but it looks like a fair amount of cloud cover, but temperatures still above normal. 45 degrees for the high tomorrow. We'll call it partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies. Of course, tomorrow is Christmas Eve. Wednesday is Christmas Day. 48 degrees there with mostly cloudy skies. I can't rule out a little bit of drizzle or a light shower. We'll have a better chance of that as we get into Thursday, with highs still up about 48 degrees. And then as we get into Friday, 45 degrees, partly sunny skies. Saturday looks dry for the first part of the day, but by the time we get in the later Saturday evening, Saturday night, we may see some rain showers developing here. That goes into early Sunday. The warmest temperatures on Sunday, about 40 degrees, will fall through the day, and it may mix with and change over to some snow showers, and there'll be the chance of some snow showers with cooler temperatures by the time we get into Monday, around 37 degrees. Again, this isn't necessarily a for sure thing because the models are not in agreement. They're having trouble deciphering where that low pressure system is actually going to go and how it's going to track. So stay tuned to later forecasts on that. But over the course of the immediate future here through the immediate holidays, you're in good shape if you're going to be traveling around the region. Detroit, Chicago, Milwaukee, Traverse City, no problems there. More weather coming up in the 4:30 half hour, guys.
All right, thank you.